Welcome to the Celtic Llama. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to crochet the triangle block. So let's go ahead and jump right on into it. So to get started, you're going to need to know how to do a treble crochet. If you need help with that, you can check down in the description below for my videos on how to do a treble crochet. So to get started, you are going to chain 4. And in the last chain from the hook, you are going to work 3 treble crochets, followed by working a chain 2, and then you'll do a repeat of 4 treble crochets, chaining 2, all within the same space, so you'll end up with 3 clusters, and you will join this with a slip stitch at the end. So here we are at the end of round 1, and we are going to join with a slip stitch. Now for round 2, you're going to start off by chaining 3, then chaining 2 for a total of 5 chains. Partially the reason it's written like this is because the chain 3 is going to actually count as a treble crochet later. So after you've done your 5 chains, in the chain 2 space is where we're going to be working. You'll work 4 treble crochets followed by a chain 2, and then 4 treble crochets followed by a chain 2, all in the same space. Now you'll repeat this twice, and when you come to the last chain 2 space in the round, you'll work 4 treble crochets, chain 2, then work 3 treble crochets because that chain 3 counted as our treble crochet to start out with. So you join with a slip stitch, and now we're going to go into round 3. You're going to start off by chaining 3 and working 3 treble crochets in that chain 2 space, followed by chaining 2 and working a 4 treble crochet, chain 2, 4 treble crochet, all within the same space. So on the sides, you're only going to be working 4 treble crochets in one spot, and on the corners you're working 2 sets of the 4 treble crochets. So that gives you that triangle shape that you are looking for. So you can kind of see that forming right now. So here we'll only work 4 treble crochets in this space. And you always want to make sure that after you finish doing your 4 treble crochets that you always chain 2. So here we are with everything worked. We are going to chain 2, and we are going to join with a slip stitch. Hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a like, and I really do hope that you have a happy crochet day.